Welcome to Westcoast Repairs, Australia's go-to destination for fast, friendly, and professional device repair services. From minor fixes to major overhauls, we keep your tech running better and longer. When we started Westcoast Repairs, the goal was simple: provide honest, expert service that people could count on. And today, we are proud to serve thousands across Australia. And now we are bringing that same commitment online. Thank you for trusting us.
Here's a glimpse inside our stores in Perth, Darwin and Sydney, where expert repairs meet real customer care every single day.
On this channel, you'll find real-time repair demos, DIY tech tutorials you can do at home, daily updates and smart tips to keep your devices in top shape. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to join the West Coast community, because your tech deserves the best.